Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th episode of the singly linked list. In this episode, we are going to explore how we can reverse a singly linked list. And we are going to basically write the definition of the routine that is going to reverse the singly linked list that we have. So let us define it: def and reverse and self. That's it. And we can say previous equals to none, current equals to self dot head, and we are actually going to have a temporary node current. So now let us write the logic while current, okay, and while current is not none, next equals to current dot next. So here we are saving the next node in this next variable, and then current dot next equals to previous. So we are assigning the previous node to the current dot next. So we are severing the link and assigning new address to the next pointer. Previous equals to current. So this is for our next thing. Okay. So we are actually moving forward, and current equals to next. Okay. So now here it is going to check for the termination. Finally, self dot head equals to previous. So this is going to be executed once this while loop finishes. So our last nodes, it is going to be the head node. Okay. So here we are severing the link and assigning it to the earlier node, and we are doing it iteratively for all the nodes. And anyway, before severing that link, we are saving that link in a temporary variable. So this is it. This is very simple. Now I'm going to save it, and let us write a driver routine for this. So let us execute the driver routine. Yeah, here we have the list. Okay. So here we have created a linked list, and here we have 7462. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and before executing it, I am going to reverse the linked list. List dot reverse, and if I execute this, okay, it is actually calling some wrong stuff. Okay, now let me go to the definition of that and reverse. Let me copy this and let me re-execute this. So I might not have executed it, and here I am creating the linked list again, and okay, now everything has been loaded, and here I'm going to paste that reverse thing and let me execute it. Okay, and here we can see that the linked list has been reversed. Okay, so earlier the linked list was 7462, and now it is 2647. So this is how we can create and reverse a linked list. So the logic is very simple. We are just going to take a temporary variable, and basically there are two temporary variables, previous and current. So next equal to current dot next, and current equals to next, current dot next equals to previous, and here we are assigning it the next address. So I hope that you have understood how to reverse a linked list. So thanks a lot for watching this episode of linked list with Python. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or comments about this episode. Do let me know if you want me to cover a specific problem about linked lists or anything in Python, C, C++, and Java. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.